Alright guys, you see it, don't you? There it is, 1895 Deus. Just picked this out. Like I said, this is a light squeak. I got her set up on fast. Quite a bit of notch going on just because there's so much jump. That's a pretty little Indian right there. Haven't found one of these in a while, mainly because the knocks has pretty well cleaned this place out, but it missed something. I'm getting ready to dig in here just to see why this didn't come up. Because I'm walking the same paths I walked before. I got markers on all ends of this field so I don't get crossed up on my lines. But this wasn't that deep. It was here, so I'm figuring it's probably only maybe 4 inches deep. But nice tone coming off there. But there was definitely something here with it because it was dragging. But going in my pocket. Woohoo! Alright, this is part of my short, but the Deus has just found a piece of silver. Yeah, that's something. 1 dime. That's a D. I don't know what that means. Denver. How shiny that is. 1914. Tell you. That's an Indian, and then this today after it's been like a 2-month drought of good stuff. Of course, this has been, I don't know if this grass has been a foot tall, maybe 2 foot. As you can see, it was just chopped the other day and baled. So yeah, that pretty thing. Bling bling, bam, bam. All right, let's get some more. There she is again. Target was right down there. That's 12 inches. It's green. Can you see it? Might be a piece of junk, but it's green. I like green. Oh, just a piece of pipe, I think. Colonial pipe right there. For the gas lines. Yeah. That's just a piece of flat something with 2 holes in it. So I'm gonna, it's got a few holes in it. I'm gonna straighten that up real quick and put you on hold. Alright, here we go. Straighten her back up a little bit. Just a bunch of little divots in there. I don't know, they look like they're in a pattern, up, down, up, down, up, down. Anyone? Regardless, that's a relic right there. The copper variety. I don't know if them holes go all the way through or not. I put my little knife in there, but I don't think you do. So I could seem like piece off a pie safe or something, but that's perfectly square. Well, rectangular with a square. Anyway, I've been summoned to go shuck some corn. So that might be it for today. I'm gonna hit this back in the morning. Stick around, guys. This thing's doing something cool finally. After hitting a good target, looks like a coin. Let's get down here and take a peek at it. That's a very good walk. Here it is. 81's what come up. For sure it's going to be a number 2 Indian head. One yesterday afternoon at work. One this morning. It's 64. You know, I got a lot of 64s. What a beautiful coin though. Amazing. Say I worked all these areas pretty good, but I guess it don't mean much. A lot of stuff in the ground. I mean, homes, garages and things, sheds. Where'd that come out of it? Probably would have eventually got it with the equinox. I don't know, but I'm thinking persistence pays off pretty good. So let's get to another one. Thanks for hanging out. Straight one. Have I finally, oh my, a whole one. It is such a thing. That there is groundbreaking, folks. That is the very first whole one of these things. I've always found a bent, and I guess that's where they've been right there. That little crinkleways, but look at that. That's got to be some colonial stuff right there. So it's like brass or copper. I'm not sure which one it is. I would imagine they're brass, but I've yet to clean one up. That there is astonishing. You have it long. I've been waiting to find what this was because I only get that much of them, and they're bent on the end. So that's why they're breaking right there, because they've crimped them so they don't come back out. Ha! That's a victory. Look at that joker. That's a nail. You better know you're a man when you go swinging on that. Try to get that in a piece of wood. No guessing there. Alright. Cool. That was an 85. A big 85. It was kind of bouncing all over that hole, but there it is. Did it again. Having a ball. Take you in. How far down you can see. But way down there. It's not super deep, but I got like that much ground left. About a foot. It's getting a 90. This thing's steady beeping. Pop it in. That also what? I'll do the unveiling in a second. I'll go ahead and shoot me a little short. This short helps the channel. Yeah, 91 on this thing. Forget Randy. Metal detecting with Randy. Check out Treasure Hunting with Swifty. Squirrel magnet fishing. Ohio River history. Let's help some of these channels out, guys. That could be a wash. I'm not gonna say for sure, but it could. All right, let's get this short, and I'll be right back. Here it is. Turned out to be a washer. I will clean it up just to make sure. Seems to have some green to it. I don't know if it's a coin that was hold. That's a perfect hold of that. It has to be a daggone washer. But why isn't that deep? I mean, that's like crazy. Anyway, let's see if we can find some treasure. 91, you know I'm digging that, but kind of pinpoint's a little bit funny, but I know there's something else there with it. Not too. I think it's here. Let's dig on her and we'll see. You see it? May have just dug my first buckle with the Deus. I did. Alright, getting these VDIs now, these tones. Pretty good, as you can tell. I'm actually finding stuff. I'm not after gold rings right now. Pennies. I was taking a long time learning this critter, I'm telling you, just to get this little bit of stuff. Oh, buckle. Bam! I've got no idea what's down there before. I'm just getting to it. 4 inches below ground, however long that thing is. Don't have markings on it, I wish it did. I'll put some on there. It's showing it still in the ground below the soft dirt. So, don't go anywhere. We're going to get it. Let's just start off. This hole fits down there. Alright, just pass my shovel. Let me back up. Okay. Anyway, it's up to the A on the ace. There's the A on the ace now. Way up there. The funny thing is, what I found, a little piece of pie plate. Stepfather used to farm here. And it just reminded me of a sweet potato store. He didn't like sweet potato pie, I guess. I believe they went on the ground or buried it or something, but that's just funny that it's over. It's probably 20 inches deep. Got a piece of foil. There might be more down there, I don't know. That's enough for me to stop digging. That's for sure. Alright. Where I was. So that setting right there, like 2 feet away from the hole. It's down in the hole. Should shut off. Wouldn't get signal and it would just cut off. The light would still be on. That wouldn't work. That deep hole. That's all I gotta say about that. Signal. Right now I got a lot of noise in that coil. It might be because of that right there. You know, it's a bail seal. See lettering on it already. Alright. I'll put more of this in later. I'll do a short. Everybody likes shorts. I get stuck on it. There's lots of writing on there. Okay, cool. It only took a few seconds. But yeah, slick on the back. Little bugs crawling. Still haven't got this here. Man, this thing is really chirpy right now. I don't know what's going on. I'm not going to speculate anything, but that's what it says. Writing right here on this rim, but you can't really see it. I love them. I mean, that's a pretty awesome piece of doodads right there. Cool. Back to the show, guys. Say it again. That thing. It's taken 2 months to get decent, I guess. I can't imagine if this thing gets much better. Another deep one. And this you should be able to find this deep with almost any machine. But I just love digging something deep. This actually has octagonal shape around it. I don't remember. So it's probably not what I thought it was. I thought it was one of those little tips on one of them rods. If this is threaded, this could. It's too small to be a nice knob. But it is threaded. I don't know. Huh. I don't know what kind of fitting that would be if it was a fitting. There's threads in there. Crazy. That's deep. I don't know what it could have been. Definitely. And it's also angled in there. It gets thicker here. Oh, bizarre. Maybe it was. I don't know. I would look up some pictures of knobs. It's kind of small, but my finger barely fit in there. But it's tapered on the inside too. Bigger to smaller. Brass. That's pretty too. So, if you know something about that one, please drop in the links. We'll figure it out together. Another deep hole. Look at that dude. Is that a pretty nail or what? That took some digging. I'm not sure if that was the intended target, but it was down there at the bottom. That's hard dirt down there. It took a long time to dig that. But yeah, that's gonna be a pretty one cleaned up. Look how wide that thing is and thick. Just as fat as it can be right here. Definitely some blacksmith work right there.